And now, today's feature presentation. Time to spit this fire style juicy. Season greetings and merry salutations as we embrace together the wintry sensations. I don't know what you celebrate, but I'm only here to commemorate as I wish you happy holidays, and I'll do so without the hate. From December to March, I'll happily share my winter parts. I know that you will adore, so grab those floors and lock your doors. Please get comfy, do feel snuggly. Grab a sweater that's just 'cause you're ugly. Get too warm and you'll be too muggy. Grab enough food so you're not too hungry. Hot chocolate, gingerbread cookies, snowflakes and flies, so please take a looky. If it's not cold for you, it's obviously cold for me. As I was born and raised in the state of New Jersey, the darkness hurries and the clouds swing flurries. The daytime scurries and the mood is huggy. Wrapped up cuddles and sensational puddles. It's winter time and it tilts supply. I love the cold and I'm feeling bold. I'm not too old to enjoy this cold. Let it snow and may the joy grow.
I fucking got it! I got it! You're rocking with the DJ that keeps the hits coming.
It's winter time with the transit Prodigy. Hello, viewers and subscribers alike. My name is Joshua, the Transit Prodigy, and I thank you for clicking on today's video. If you're at home, please make sure you're very comfortable and or refreshments. If you're in public, please make sure you have your headphones on so you're being mindful towards the people around you. Without further ado, please enjoy today's video. The first plane we saw is a livery. That is funny. I was not expecting that, but I won't complain. Apparently we're having flocks of birds interfering with the flights. As y'all can see, we have a nice a Dreamliner coming in. I was about to call it a Dreamlander. I don't want to risk that. I wanted to get that Frontier flying over me, but I don't want the sun's glare. I don't want it missing up that shot, so I'm gonna pass on that. Sadly, it's one I have not yet captured, if I'm correct. It was Austin the Northern Mockingbird. Another Dreamliner. I really want to fly on one of those one day. I really do.
United 1155, wind 290.5, runway 4 left, clear for takeoff. 4 left, clear for takeoff, 9 left.
Hopefully I fly it this summer.
Got 36 yellow, short of 4 left. Hi, Kilo, short of 4 left, United 50.
When I go to Los Angeles for the meet and greet to meet up with Peter. And I'll get to meet a bunch of his fans, which is gonna be fun. That all is determined is if I get this job for this interview I have on Wednesday. If I get the job, you guys will get an update.
Wind 3005.
And you'll have more content, I promise. I do apologize for the lack of content due to my unemployment and inability to get around as much as I'd love to. But make no mistake, I will get the job done.
4 left, Kilo, contact ground. 4 left, Kilo, contact ground, United 1155, contact departure. Or departure down 1150, good.
Max 9, I'm definitely dying to fly on those for United. And for those who've been with me on this journey for the longest, you're probably thinking, why do I want to fly on a Max 9 again? It's different for each airline. I promise you guys. I promise. it is. It's coming in.
Close call. Channel 584. Alright. Channel 584 North Channel, rolling 330 to 84, right code land. Call that for Channel 584. Return 3706, hold short of 4 left at Juliet. Hold off 4 left at Juliet, quick up, put us in the 06.
Alright, you made it to the end of the video. If you did so without skipping, I very much appreciate it, and I'm proud of you for that. With that being said, please stay blessed, stay safe, stay hydrated no matter what season it is. Something, say something. Every life matters. If you are a viewer and are not subscribed to my channel, please feel free to do so. And if you feel like it, please make sure you click the notification bell so you're not missing out on any of my releases. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching today's featured video, and enjoy your winter time.